大家好，我叫韩真爱. Hi, my name is Janai, and today we're going to talk about measure words. So in Chinese, there's a ton of measure words, but today we're just going to cover some of the more basic ones that are more commonly used, but there are many, many more. So let's get started. The first one is an all-encompassing measure word, which is ge. This is used for people and or non-specific items. So the first example here is 10个学生, 10 students. And also 3个老外, 3 foreigners. And the next one is 只. So this is a measure word for animals, but interestingly, it can also be used for body parts that come in pairs. So animals and body parts. Like arms, hands, legs, and feet. So the first example is 两只手, 2 hands. And then the second one is 这只狗, so this dog. So just, 只 is used for mostly animals, but then pairs of body parts. So this next one is 条, and this is this measure word is usually used with like long skinny objects, so that can be fish, roads, pants, and rivers, and things like that. So the first example is 这条河, this river. And the second one is 10条鱼, 10 fish. 双, so this one's easier to remember if you're studying the simplified character because it's just 2 and it means pair. So it's used in the same way that the word we use in English, pair, is used. So the first example is 一双筷子, a pair of chopsticks. And then 那双鞋, that pair of shoes. This next one is 辆, and this, if you see the radical on here, is 车, which is car or vehicle. So to remember this one, it's used for vehicles with wheels, but not trains. So our example is 3辆自行车, which is 3 bicycles. And then also 5辆车, 5 cars. So just vehicles, if you remember that, the vehicle radical on the side. And then our next one is 张, and this one is used for flat objects, so like tables, paper, tickets, and that sort of thing. 3张桌子, 3 tables, or 5张车票, 5 bus tickets. And this next one is 家. So this is a very versatile character because it is used to mean home or family, as many of us know, but it can also be used as a measure word. And so when it's a measure word, it's attached to gatherings of people or establishments like shops and restaurants. So in this case, 这家公司, this company, or 3家饭店, 3 restaurants. And this one is 件, used with clothing, gifts, or matters or problems. So in this first example, it's used for clothing, 这件衬衫, this shirt. And in the middle example, we have 一件事, which is one matter or a thing or a problem. So like I have to talk to you about something, 一件事. And then this last example is 3件礼物, which is 3 gifts. So clothing, gifts, or a matter or problem. This one is 瓶 and 杯. So 瓶 is used for bottles, and 杯 is used for glasses. So the first example is 一瓶可乐, a bottle of Coke. Middle example is 一杯红酒, a glass of red wine. And then our final example is 那瓶水, that bottle of water. And so those are some of the more basic ones, but once again, there's still like a lot of different ones that you can learn. But I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. 再见.